Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Gulsan and I help you speak English fluently. Today in this video, I am going to share with you my English fluency journey because a lot of people in the comment section were saying me to make a video on how I learned this language. I am going to share with you my English fluency journey, in which I will be telling you everything from how did I learn vocabulary to how did I build my English fluency. So I would like you to watch this video till the end because I will be giving you the secrets on how to become a fluent speaker as soon as you can, because I am someone who have learned this language from zero. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about my background. So let's get started. So if you have been watching me for a while, you know that I come from a Hindi medium background. But if you don't know, let me tell you that I come from a Hindi medium background. On top of that, I live in a very small village, as you are witnessing me, as you are seeing my background. I come from a very small village. I have no one here whom I can practice with in English, but I can say that I have learned this language on my own through making videos, through talking to people online, and I have done a lot of things to get to this level. And my journey was not that simple. My journey was not that straightforward, because I did not get that opportunity to live with those people, to spend time with those people who actually speak English. So I got a lot of difficulties, but I did not let these difficulties stop me from learning this language. So if you are someone like me trying to speak this language on your own, if you don't have anyone, I would say don't give up. Keep learning. Just keep on keeping on. Don't give up, because one day you will look back and realize that you have overcome a lot of difficulties and you will be proud of yourself. So no worries if you are living in a small village, if you don't have a right environment. First of all, let me tell you how I built my vocabulary. But before I tell you how I built my vocabulary, let me tell you how I got started with learning this language. And when I got started with learning this language, I started learning this language back then in 2021. When I got started, I was not able to speak even a single sentence in this language. When I say I did not know how to speak even a single sentence in this language, I mean it. I actually didn't know how to speak this language. I come from a Hindi medium background. As you all know, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you all know that I come from a Hindi medium background and I learned this language from zero. Where was I? I was talking about how I built my vocabulary. So I think all the credit goes to reading books. When I talk about building my vocabulary, I read books. Let me tell you, I read self-help books and I read a lot. Let me tell you that in 1 month, in the last 1 month, I read 8 books on self-help. And if you would like me to make videos on those books, let me know in the comment section and I would tell you what were the books that I read in the last month. I would say read as many books as you can to build your vocabulary, because reading books is going to benefit you a lot. Because reading books is not only going to build your vocabulary, it's also going to teach you how to form sentences while speaking. It's also going to teach you to form sentences, to understand the sentence patterns, like what word is spoken after what word. You are going to learn a lot of English patterns that you will need while speaking. Okay, so I would say just read as many books as you can. I read a lot of books and this is how I build my vocabulary. So this was the vocabulary segment. Now let me tell you how I build like this level of fluency. As I told you that I don't have anyone in my village whom I can talk in English, so I started making videos, and I started making videos since 2023, but I was not able to speak this fluently in 2023. I got started and I used to take a lot of retakes. I used to spend 2 hours, 3 hours sometimes to make a 6 minutes video. This is how I used to make videos in 2023. But now I can speak English for as long as I want without taking any retakes, because now I got to a level where I can express my thoughts very easily in this world in very easy words. So yes, I would say that making videos every single day got me to this level. Now I can express my thoughts very well in this language. The reason I built my fluency is because I made videos every single day. The reason I built my fluency because of making videos every single day. Yeah, back then in 2024 I used to make videos every single day, although I did not upload videos every single day, but yeah, I used to make every single day. So if you are someone trying to become a fluent speaker on your own, I would recommend you to make videos on your own. Initially you are going to suck, you will not make good videos, but slowly you will move to a level where you will be very comfortable with making videos like me. So now if you want to build your fluency alone, I would say that make videos every single day, make mistakes, and I am very sure that you are going to make a lot of mistakes initially, but that will be okay, and that should be okay for you because you are a beginner trying to learn a language, and learning a language takes time. So you have to pay attention to that. You have to keep in mind that because learning any language is going to take time, so you have to be very okay with that. Now let's talk about how much time it takes to become a fluent speaker. It took me almost 1.5 years to come to this level. You are seeing me now. I can express my thoughts very well in this language. I take pauses while speaking, but I am okay with that. So if you are someone trying to become a fluent speaker and expecting that you are going to become a fluent speaker in just 6 months, let me tell you the truth, it is not possible. The people who are making such videos are fraud people, I would say, and those videos are not for everyone. If you are beginner, absolutely those videos are not going to work for you. So you have to have a realistic view on learning a new language. Like learning a new language is going to take sometimes 5 years, 6 years, but if you want to learn survival English, yeah, it's going to take 1 year at least. Even learning survival English is going to take 1 year, so you have to be very okay with that. And it took me 1.5 years to learn this language, and I am not saying that I have become very fluent in this language, but at least I can express my thoughts very well in this language. I can articulate my thoughts very well in this language. And if you want to come to my level of fluency, I would say just keep improving every single day. Make mistakes and then improve that, then you will make less mistake, then you will get good, then you will get better, then you will get excellent, and then you will get to the advanced level that I must say that you should be aspiring to become. Don't hesitate while making mistakes, because making mistakes is the thing that is going to take you to the next level, and this is how I got to this level. So yeah, in this video I told you how I build my vocabulary, how I build my fluency, and how much time it took me to become a fluent speaker or come to this level. So yeah, I would say if you found this video to be helpful, I would say share this video with at least one of your friends, because it motivates me to make more videos. If you haven't subscribed this channel, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because it motivates me to make more videos and it helps me a lot.